In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all your Discord messages. To get started, open the Discord app and head to the server where you want to remove your messages. Once you're inside that server, look toward the top left area and click on the server name. This will open a menu with more options for managing and customizing the server. From that menu, click on App Directory. This is where Discord lets you find and add apps or bots that can help automate different tasks. When the app directory opens, go to the search bar and type in Clear Chat Bot. Then press Enter to bring it up in the results. Once you find the bot, click on it. Then select Add App. Discord will then ask you which server you want to add it to, so choose the correct server and continue through the authorization process. Make sure you carefully follow the prompts so the bot gets the permissions it needs to work properly. After the bot has been added, go back into the server and open the specific channel where you want your messages deleted. This part is important because the command will be used in the channel you select. Now on the right side panel, find the Clear Chat Bot and click on it. From there, choose the / command called Clear All. If you prefer, you can also simply type Clear All directly into the message box yourself and then press Enter. Once the command is sent, the bot will begin clearing the messages in that channel. If Discord shows any confirmation or permission prompts, just review them and continue. And that's it. Your messages in that selected channel should be removed. Just be sure you're in the correct server and channel before running the command, since this kind of action may not be easy to undo.